Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to change your Fiverr gig image. This is essential when you want to refresh your gig's appearance or update it with more professional visuals to attract potential buyers. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to fiverr.com. Once you're on the homepage, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. This will take you to your Fiverr dashboard where you can manage all your gigs and services. Now that you're logged in, direct your attention to the top menu bar. You'll see several options there, but what you need to click on is My Business. Once you click it, a drop-down menu will appear with various options. From this menu, select Gigs. This section displays all the gigs you've created on your Fiverr profile, making it easy to manage and edit them as needed. Next, locate the specific gig whose image you want to change. Browse through your list until you find it. Right beside the gig title, you'll notice a drop-down menu icon. Click on it, and from the options that appear, select Edit. This action will open up the editing interface for that particular gig, allowing you to make changes to various elements. Once you're in the editing interface, look at the top menu again. Here you'll find several tabs, but the one you need is Gallery. Click on it to access all the visual elements associated with your gig, including images and videos. In the Gallery section, focus on the Images area. You'll see all the current images attached to your gig displayed here. To change one of them, simply hover your mouse over the image you want to replace. When you do this, you'll notice an Edit button or a pencil icon appearing on that image. Go ahead and click it. This will prompt your computer to open a file browser window. Now browse through your folders to locate the new image you want to use for your gig. Make sure it's a high-quality image that represents your service well. Once you've found and selected your preferred image, click Open. This uploads the new image to replace the old one in your gig gallery. After the image has been successfully uploaded, scroll down to the bottom of the page. You'll see a Save button there. Click it to confirm and apply all the changes you've made. Your gig will now display the updated image, giving it a fresh new look. And that's it. You've successfully changed your Fiverr gig image. This simple update can make a significant difference in how your gig appears to potential clients. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.